Are you leaving money on the table every time you pay your Rogers or Fido bill? I've been using the Rogers Bank app for over a year now, and I've realized most people treat it like a basic banking app when it's actually a tool to manufacture a 3% discount on almost everything you buy. If you just let your cash back sit there or redeem it for statement credits, you're doing it wrong. Here is exactly how I maximize the app using the 1.5x redemption bonus hack. 1. The 1.5x multiplier hack. The biggest mistake I see is people redeeming cash back for random purchases like groceries. In the app, if you have $100 in cash back, that's worth exactly $100 against a grocery bill. But if you wait and apply that same $100 against a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchase, the app gives you a 1.5x bonus. That $100 suddenly becomes $150. To do this, I don't just wait for my monthly bill. I use the app to check for any Rogers branded transaction, even a charger bought at a Rogers store, and I only hit redeem on those specific items. It effectively turns a 2% cashback card into a 3% cashback card. 2. Manual versus automated redemption. There's a settings gear inside the rewards tab. Most people leave it on manual, but there is an automated toggle. My personal strategy, I keep it on manual. Why? Because the app's automation doesn't always prioritize the 1.5x bonus transactions. By keeping it manual, I can cherry-pick my Rogers bills to ensure every single cent of my rewards gets that 50% value boost. I check the app once a month right after my phone bill posts, find that specific transaction in the redeem list, and apply the balance there. 3. The $10 threshold rule. The app won't let you redeem anything under $10. A pro move if you're just short of a redemption is to look at your earned rewards history. If I see I'm at $9.50, I'll make a small $25 purchase to cross that $10 line before my Rogers bill posts. This ensures the rewards are unlocked and ready to be applied at the 1.5x rate the second that big bill hits the app. 4. Real-time security and management. Beyond rewards, I use the lock/unlock feature constantly. If I'm traveling or haven't used the card in a week, I keep it locked in the app. It takes 2 seconds to unlock it before a purchase. Also, I highly recommend turning on push notifications for every transaction. The app is much faster at alerting you than the standard SMS alerts, which helps you spot unauthorized charges instantly. 5. Managing supplementary cards. If you have a partner or family member with a supplementary card, their purchases earn rewards, but only the primary cardholder can usually see and redeem them efficiently in the app. I have my partner's card linked, and I periodically check the cardholder filter in the transaction history to see how much they're contributing to our free phone bill fund. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.